Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The first one coordinates with one that we released last week. Remember, we released the tri-background Slimline Dream Big, and I told you, oh yeah, it goes with all the other ones that are tri-background. I think I said trifold. Tri-background. Well, guess what, my friends? We have a new one. It is Hello Cutie, and I know, it doesn't look like anything when you look at it that way. Well, and I'd show you this one, but look, who is this? This is Linda. She put something else on top because you can mix and match. So let's look at our, hang on, let's find our Hello Cutie. There's our Hello Cutie. There's one. Let's find another. Oh, okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. It has that awesome flowers at the top. Don't you just love those? Has our Hello Cutie and it has our little dots at the bottom. So that's what it looks like. But my friends, hello, this one leads itself perfectly to go horizontal as well. Change those words, flip them the other way, and boom, horizontal. Yes. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous this one is. Those flowers up at the top, you are gonna fall madly in love with. Now, what if you don't want it to say Hello Cutie? It can say whatever you want on the inside, remember, because you get to mix and match on all of these. Look how fun that is. I absolutely love this one. So Hello Cutie, love it. Coordinates with all the others, so much fun, 2 thumbs up. The next one I'm really excited about because it will bring a smile to my face every Sunday when I take this Bible to church. Are you ready? Well, let me show you what it is. It is a triangle bookmark. Now, these are really fun for a couple reasons. Number one, perfect for felt. Just saying. Perfect for felt. We even add the little stitch lines on there if you want it. Or they could just be dots. Don't have to stitch it. We added 2 crosses. Don't have to use those if you don't want to. This is a fun little flower background, optional also. And then it has these 2 little flaps so you can fold them in, glue those 2 triangles together, and then you are going to get something that looks like this. Perfect for a bookmark. Watch this. So let's say this was your book, right? And I'm going to show you mine. Let me show you this, and it's literally going to go right there on the corner. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you just love that? So you can use the cross if you want to. It's optional, of course. Here's another one. Love it with that flower background. Love it, love it. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that gorgeous? It's going to go in the corner of your book. Now, if you're saying, Stephanie, I don't get it. Watch this. Hang on. Let me show you one more. Here's another cute one with those flowers. Let me show you. We're going to open up the Bible. Here we go. This one's actually Ken's because I just grabbed it off the shelf. And look at that. Look how gorgeous that bookmark is. It goes right on top. Right on top. You can do a couple more. You can do more than 1 page. It doesn't have to be just 1 page. But boom, I can turn to numbers. Or boom, I can turn to this one. Look at that. Or we could add an extra scalloped border from our border dies to make it even cuter. Look at that. Ooh, use a pretty rose if we want to. Turn this one, and we're going to go to the, oh, Liam picked that one as his favorite. He doesn't pick very many favorites, but that one's Liam's. See his little L's on there. Then look at this one, pray on. Don't you love that? Look at that. Dots. Oh, so pretty. And then Michelle even made one out of felt for me. She even embroidered an S on there. Isn't that gorgeous? And she embroidered flowers. I absolutely love it. So much fun. What a wonderful gift. What a wonderful gift to give to someone. Doesn't have to be in the Bible. It could be any book that has pages. Not a Kindle, but it, well, actually, you could still, no. Okay, yeah, any book. Any book. Isn't that fun? Perfect gift also, right? Perfect gift, especially if you make it out of felt. Now, last but not least, because this is going to be a big one too, when we came out with our A2 version of this, everybody loved it. Everybody bought it. And the first question Faylene got was, I want this A1 version, smaller card size. I want this in a smaller card size version. And we got inundated, and I don't think I said that word right. We got so many requests. I want this A1. I want this A1. I want this A1. So we said, okay. Here we go. It is the A1 box pop-up that goes inside your cards. It's so cute. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is in an A2, but it works in an A2 also. It's a cute little box, and you can fold these little flaps down, and look, that little cupcake is popping out. Isn't that cute? Fold it up, and there it goes. Now, you know the rule. If it's not easy, I'm not doing it. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. Stay tuned. Ready? Open that up. Oh, flowers everywhere. A box of flowers. Don't you love that? This is an A1 card base. A1. Why is A1 so important? Because our kit club members, our card kit club members, get an A1 card base in every shipment. Can you believe that? Every shipment, they get an A1 card base included. Yeah, how do we throw that in? I don't know. I never look at the budget. Don't even ask me to look at the budget. Anyway, look at this. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Cute. You could do it on the inside as well. I love that. Here's another one. Ready, 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 ready. Open this up. Ta-da! Pineapples! Pineapples! Look how cute that is. Now, I know you're saying, Stephanie, that looks too complicated. I'm not going to do it. And you know the rule. If it's not easy, Stephanie's not doing it. So let's practice. Here we go. I die cut it. Easy peasy, right? We're going to fold it on all those score lines. And I'm going to fold the little flaps down. You can fold them down or put them in. And there's this little tiny flap right here. That little tiny flap is going to get my score tape. So we're going to add our little score tape. Now this one's a little thin, so I should have used thinner score tape. So I'm just going to kind of fold it over. No worries. And I'm just going to kind of fold that over. Not a biggie. There we go. Now I'm going to go all the way around. Boom. There it is. Now I have my cute little box with these funky looking triangles. Look at that. Make it look like it's the bottom. Make it look like it's the bottom. There we go. So there is my little box. Now I'm going to open these up so it looks funky like this. And you're saying, Stephanie, that does not look good. Trust me, you guys. Trust me on this. Trust me. I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive to this one. I'm going to flip it over and use a little bit of adhesive on this one. Wait for it. Wait for it. And then I am going to put this inside my card. Now, I've already made one that's all decorated, so you're going to want to decorate yours. It comes with all the layering dies. And on the inside, let me show you the inside really quick. On the inside, you have this funky looking die that looks like weird, right? It has these little tabs on it. You could do the tabs any way you want. This is just to get something on the inside of your box. So I'm just going to use a little tiny bit of adhesive on this flap. A little tiny bit of adhesive on this flap. And if you've ever used our box card dies or any of our inside boxes that have these little flaps, these are just kind of little ways. So we're going to put, see those little flaps? They're going to go right there in the corner, just like that, and smush it in. Now I have like a little shelf, right? I have this little shelf. So here's my little shelf. This one was done a little differently. It can be in the box format. You can do it in any way you want just to get it in there. That's the important part, just get it in there. Now, I'm going to add adhesive to this one because I'm going to put this one in my card because it's more decorated than my purple. And on my sample here, I also showed you in 2 different colors. You could do the same color. I just showed you on camera 2 different colors so you could see it better. So I'm peeling off the adhesive that I just put in there, right, on those funky looking triangles. And now I'm going to open my card and I am going to see that fold right there? I'm going to lay this down. Now, before I adhere it, I want to make sure my box is not sticking out like up here, up here. I'm going to check it now because I could, like if I did that, uh-oh, it's showing. So I want to make sure it's not showing. Pretty much in the center, you're going to be fine. I have my little triangles on that fold and I'm going to close. Ready, set, ta-da! Ta-da! You guys, I just made, now this one's a little, there we go. Let me fluff it down, there we go. Okay, how easy was that? Close it up. Ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! I told you it was easy. Now, so we have this. I know a lot of you already have it in the A2. This is the A1 version. Of course, you could use the A1 version on any size card. But if you want the A2, it's a little bigger. So that's up to you if you don't have it. Now, my friends, you know the deal. If you're a club member, you're getting 15 to 20% off these items every single day, every single item, every single order. Now, if you get to them, be the first 24 hours they are on our website, it's extra special. Why? Because you are getting them on flash sale. Flash sale is a special fund. The first 24 hours things are on our website, a lot of things, not everything, but a lot of things, they're on a special sale the first 24 hours or until sold out. If you get them the first 24 hours, you're not paying our everyday low price. You're paying the flash sale price. But if you're a club member, you're getting your discount on top of that. Right? I know. It's like we're paying you to be our friends. Kind of. It kind of is. So my friends, if you are not in the club, I need you to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Ah! I know. So wait, are you telling me I get a 4x6 stamp set, a 4x6 stamp set, 4x6 standard size, shipped to you on the first of every month for $13.99. If there's taxes in your area, you have to pay taxes, but no extra shipping, nothing like that. $13.99. Brand new stamp set made in the United States, high quality photopolymer. $13.99 delivered to your door. Then you get 15% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order, and even on flash sale items. You're also earning club points. Every order you place and every monthly shipment gets club points that you can use to spend on our website. If you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate. It's our way of saying thank you and happy anniversary. And every couple months we send out freebies. Like, what in the heck? Are you kidding me? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and at the very least, just join the Stamp Club. We have other clubs too, but just join the Stamp Club to get your toe in the door, to make sure you're getting the extra discount on every single item, every single day. Isn't that awesome? Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.